Hey guys, how's it going today? And welcome back on this YouTube channel directed by Ari. My name is Ari and I'm so excited today because today we're gonna talk about 5 things that you need to shoot amazing music videos. I've been shooting videos more than 8 years since I went to the university, and a lot of years I thought I need very expensive equipment to shoot something really cool. Well, yes and no. And if you're never filmed any videos in your life and someone just gave you a camera for like $8,000, would you shoot something really amazing that goes to the trends? First of all, you have to learn a lot of foundation and get some experience as well. So watch this video until the end and I'll show you 5 things that you need to shoot cool music videos, and also we're gonna fly to Atlanta. If you open my backpack and look at the equipment I use, you're gonna be like, wow, a lot of stuff. But if you're just a beginner and don't have any ideas how to use a camera or light, don't worry, because this is why you're watching this YouTube channel. So the main thing is a camera, of course, and I had different cameras in my life, and I started with super old and cheap Canon, but today 2021, so probably it's too old for you. So now I have this Sony 6500. And why do I use Sony? This camera has everything I need. It's very compact and very ergonomic, and also it has 4K resolution if your client is looking for the best quality. Also, I would say that Sony has the best cameras for the low light. So why I love this camera? This camera is amazing because it's able to shoot everything, like YouTube, weddings, music videos and much more stuff. And another reason why I love this camera, the quality. It's really cool and clean. Even the camera, it's under $1,000. And most of people don't see the difference between a camera for like $800 and $8,000. So why do you need to spend too much money at the beginning? And yeah, this is what I'm talking about, and I'll put the link on this camera right there in the description. And I think number 2 is the lens. There are a lot of different lenses on the market and they work different as well. For example, this is the lens that has 50mm and you can shoot amazing portraits and close-ups. But this lens has just 16mm and you can catch, just a long shot. But what if you don't have much money to get 2 or 3 different lenses? Sometimes it's crazy to pay like $300 minimum just for one lens that get just close-ups, for example. Well guys, look at this. This is my lovely lens because it has all the focus distance that any person needs. And this is Sony 18-105, meaning you can get a lot of definition you need. You want to shoot a long shot? Okay, no problem. You want to get some details? Come on, let's do it! So as you see, you can get a lot of different shots using just one lens, and this is really amazing. If you don't have much money or you don't have much time as well, just to change your lens during your video shooting. And of course, I really recommend it. Alright, and the number 3 is light. Light is everything. If you're a professional with light, you can really make a movie even you have just an iPhone. And look at these pics. Why are they so dope? Because of light. And I didn't really understand what's the difference between cool and bad picture, but now I can, because I can see it and the reason is light. And let me show you what I have. And I bought these 2 panels a year ago. They are very compact and this RGB light, so you can change your color anytime. Look at this video I made for my artist with this light, and all of this I got just less than $300. I really like to work with red and blue or green colors, but if you are shooting just a YouTube, as me right now, it still works as well. As soon as you understand how the light works, your video grows up immediately. And I'll put a link on this light in the description below if you want to use this one. The thing number 4 is the gimbal. Guys, my camera has the stabilizer inside as well as this lens, but I wouldn't say it's enough. And it means even I'm a little bit drunk and I can't use my hands as usually, it should be help me, right? But now I don't want to talk about it, guys. It would be much better if I just showed you the difference between the picture with the gimbal or without the gimbal. As you see, the quality became more better and now it looks really cinematic. Also, if you're shooting a close-up shots, it's really hard to stabilize your image without a gimbal. probably my gimbal is expensive for this camera, but I use another one and it was very cheap. My Sony 6500 is a very small and compact camera, so you don't need to something crazy and very expensive to make your video better. This is the stabilizer I use over than 5 years. I think it's so old right now, but you can find his brother on Amazon and it would be fine. And you can ask me like, why did I buy a new gimbal? You know, it's a new generation and it's very smart and cool gimbal as well. And I'm about to buy a new camera that is much more heavy than mine. And also I love to work with a screen or put my camera in a case, because the equipment, you know, it just became more expensive every year and no one just want to break it, right? And what do you guys think the last thing? It's a speaker. Yeah, I mean, you can shoot your music videos if you don't have a speaker. Of course, you can use your phone or, you know, like headphones, but it wouldn't be professional because nobody like it, and of course it's not loud enough. I used different speakers and some of those were stolen, or, you know, I lost it or something else happened. I think by this moment JBL is the best speaker I ever used. JBL has different speakers and I got JBL 5 before, but it was too big and just to put in my backpack. So that's why I bought another one, JBL number 4, and it's really loud, even it looks very small. And that's it, guys. It was my equipment I use every time I shoot music videos, and of course I have much more stuff, you know, to get some details and stuff like that. But why do I love these 5 things? Because it's not very expensive. And if you're thinking about shooting as a business process, you know, you need just 1,000 or 1,500 probably to start work, and this is very cool. And let me know, guys, if you're interested, what else do you need to become more professionally, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. So put a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Всем пока. It was Russian game.